awaiting the arrival of his line mate. He's out there with Patrice Bergeron. Right up the middle. This is Bergeron trying to get away from a forward. Niederreiter passes off. Marchand scores! First they killed the penalty impeccably, then Marchand returned.
You mentioned the same guys playing all the time. Here's Bergeron there with the excellent play. You see how late Price was picking up that pass. That had some chance there, and then right out of the box comes Brad Marchand, and two teammates have done this before a million times in practice and so often in games. And for Halak, a difficult first shot as it goes up and over the elbow.